everybody, now we are going to solve a problem from Fundamentals of Electric Circuits by Alexander and Sadikus, 5th edition. This is question number 6.5 and we are asked to find the current waveform given the voltage waveform across a 4 microfarad capacitor. Directly we can write the equation of this current using the formula IC of t is equal to C into dV by dt. So the C value is given here, right, as 4 microfarad. So segment by segment we have to write it, right. So first we'll take this segment from this 0 to this 10 during this time period 0 to 2 milliseconds. Okay, so this is being taken. So here it is 4 microfarad. So 4 into 10 power minus 6 dV by dt, that is the change in voltage to change in time, right. So the change in voltage to this time period is 10 volts divided by 2 milliseconds. So it is 2 into 10 power minus 3. So you get this as 5. Okay, so it is 20 into 10 power minus 3. That means it is 20 milliamps. So this is for the time period 0 to 2 milliseconds. Now we move on to the next one. So that is for the segment this 10 to minus 10 along the y-axis, that is voltage, and 2 to 6 milliseconds, that is along the x-axis. IC of t is equal to current is equal to C values 4 into 10 power minus 6. That is, again we are using the same formula, right? That is multiplied by though. So how much change in there? Voltage change del V by del T. So it is minus 10. So this minus 10 to minus 10. So this is minus 20. Minus 20 volts divided by the time period is 4, right? 4 milliseconds. So it is 10 power minus 3. So you can cancel out these two. So we get this as minus 20 milliamps. For the time period, t lies between 2 to 6 milliseconds. So next is for the time period 6 to 8 milliseconds. So the change over the voltage is from minus 10 to 0. Okay, so this is your segment. So IC of t can be written as C into, that is 4 microfarad. So 4 into 10 power minus 6 dV by dt. So change in voltage is 0 minus of minus 10. So that becomes 10 divided by 2 milliseconds. So 2 into 10 power minus 3. So if you put it, it is again 20 milliamps. Okay, this is for the time period 6 to 8 milliseconds. Okay, now we got the answer for this current. Once again I summarize this. So this IC of t is equal to 20 milliamps for the time period t lies between 0 to 2 milliseconds, and this is equal to minus 20 milliamps for the time period lies between 2 to 6 milliseconds. Then it is 20 milliamps for the time period lies between 6 to 8 milliseconds. Now we can have the sketch or the plot of this waveform. So for 0 to 2 milliseconds it is 20 milliamps. So we take it here as 20. Then 2 to 6 milliseconds it is minus 20. So it is minus 20 here. Okay, so we have to join this, right? This is 2 to 6 minus 20. Then from 6 to 8 it is again 20 plus 20. So this is the current waveform. Okay, thank you. Hope you have understood.